Can't find a course? Filters may be causing the issue. When searching a course library, you can use filters to refine which ones appear on screen. Sometimes you may have a filter activated, which in turn will result in you being unable to view your entire course library. Types of filters. There are two types of filters. The first filter allows you to sort your courses according to tags. This is only available if an administrator has added a tag to a course. If there are no tags assigned to any of the courses available to you, this filter may not be available on your home screen. You can select which specific tags you would like to include in your search by clicking on this button. This drop-down menu allows you to select how the result should match. Here are a few different options to choose from. The second filter is the most common and will always be available to you on your homepage. This filter allows you to sort your courses according to their associated status. You have the option of showing active courses, courses that will be available to you soon, or courses that are not yet available. You have the option to choose one or more of these statuses under this filter. How to clear filters. There is a filter currently being used on screen. You can either deselect the checkbox, followed by clicking on Apply to remove this filter, or you can simply click on the Clear Filter button. After doing so, you can now view all the courses available to you in your library. If a specific course is still missing, after completing these steps, we suggest contacting your Learning and Development Department to investigate the problem further. Thank you for watching.